an hour's drive south of Sydney. It is a refugee welcome zone and regularly supports groups of refugees, mainly from Africa, Iraq and Burma. This is our community problem solving team. I'm Pippa.
And I'm Maria, and we attend the Illawarra Grammar School.
We, and a group of our peers from our school, attended a refugee picnic held at Stewart Park, Wollongong, as part of the community service program at our school. We suddenly became aware of the many problems refugees face in adjusting to life in our community. This inspired us to try to solve these problems. So, what began as community service became a community problem-solving project. After much discussion, we came up with our underlying problem.
Because refugee children arriving in Australia suffer from feelings of isolation and alienation caused by factors such as language barriers and cultural differences. How may we, in 2008, provide continuing assistance to the children of refugee families in the Wollongong area, so that their sense of identification with the Australian community is enhanced?
We decided to concentrate on the refugee children because they adapt more easily to different cultures. We hoped then that this could have a ripple effect on the parents, where they could tell their parents and then their parents can teach other refugee families.
So after looking at a number of different solutions, we came up with the School Survival Skills Pack.
In this pack we have information cards, a DVD to help reinforce the information visually, and games. We've got a tennis ball and a skipping rope.
To help us evaluate and distribute our packs, we have had a close relationship with a local organisation called SCARF, Strategic Community Assistance for Refugee Families.
Hello, my name's Sharon McKenzie. I'm the co-founder of a locally based charity, SCARF, Strategic Community Assistance to Refugee Families. SCARF was established to enhance the resettlement process of humanitarian entrant refugees, and our work is family focused, and we're interested in the education and training and employment of these new arrivals.
Through SCARF we were able to communicate with refugee children so that they can evaluate the effectiveness of our packs. We were then able to improve our packs according to their suggestions. We have successfully created and perfected our packs, and they are now ready for distribution.
Many people have commented on the effectiveness of our packs.
The girls from TIGS have done a wonderful job in preparing this school survival skills kit, and we have tested this kit with children and with teachers, and everybody has endorsed it very enthusiastically because it is so attractive, easy to handle, and tells so much practical information. It will be a real, it'll be a great assistance both to the children and to their parents, because most of our kids are arriving with very little language, and this visual presentation is really excellent. So we're very, very pleased to be part of it.
We have also created awareness about refugee issues in our school. The school has nominated SCARF as its Charity of the Year, and the school's relationship with refugees has improved significantly.
For example, we have a mentoring system where Year 11 students mentor refugee children in maths and English.
We would like the SSS pack to be an ongoing project, and we have already had an interview with Year 11 students who are willing to take on our role next year.
We would also like to spread the influence of our pack to other refugee welcome zones, such as those in